Hello everyone, welcome back to with another video. Today we are going to discuss about JavaScript chapter 6 video, part 6 video. Uh, in previous video we already discussed chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you didn't see, you can go back and see, and then after you can come here. It helps you to boost and build basic concept of JavaScript. So without delay, I want to go direct uh, our today's content. So let's go. Our today's content is operators. Operators in JavaScript. So what is operators? Operators are symbols or keyword in JavaScript that performs operations on values or variable, right? So you can think operate operations means calculation on money, item or scores in items, money, scores, anything you can assume. You can compare with real life analogy. So uh, let's see uh, how many types of operators exist in JavaScript. There are some operators in JavaScript, yeah, like arithmetic operator, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators like ordinary operators, ternary operators, quarks. That types of operators exist in JavaScript. So without delay, let's explain it one by one. What are they? So, arithmetic operation. It used to math operation. Arithmetic arithmetic operation there exist in plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus, power. This called double asterisk called power. So they are lies in arithmetic operations. So how we can use this in JavaScript? Let's see in coding. Uh, if there is a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 3. So if we want to use plus operator, then we should use a plus b. So uh, first we write to a and we use plus middle of a and b, right? So and it gives us the value by doing operating. So here the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 3, then it gives 13, right? So similarly, we use to subtract a minus b like that. A is 10, b is 3, and it gives 7. A minus b is equal to 7. Multiply, similarly, it gives multiply and divide and modulus. Modulus means when we divide a and b, then we give remainder. If we give remainder, it gives us here 10 divided by 3. How here is a remainder? Here is only one remainder, so it gives 1. So that is a remainder. This is divided value and this is remainder value. And this is we use this to use uh, find the power of A into B. There is 10 into 10 into double asterisk B means 3. It gives 1000. So this is power value. And next one is assignment operators. Assignment operators means assign value to variable. It gives how to assign uh, value in variable. We can also compare with updating your bank balance or score, right? So let's see in coding. let x is equal to 10. Here let x is equal to 10, and when we did x plus is equal to 5, then it adds the value of x with the initial value of x, right? Here it is, I am telling you what it is telling. Here the initial value of x is 10, right? 10 plus is equal to 5. Uh, in 10 we should add 5. Plus is equal to 5 means we should add 5, right? This is saying, then when we add 10 plus 5 it gives 15, like that. X minus is equal to 3 means 10 minus 3. It is calling 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to uh, 12. I think it's mistake, something mistake. It should become 7. X minus 3. 10 minus 3 means 7, but here 15x becomes 15, so it is giving uh, 12. If x, the value of x is 10, here the value of x is 10, then it should give us 7, but here x become 15 by adding 5. 10 plus 5 15, then uh, fif- 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. This is, that's why it giving us 12. And x into 2 is equal to, it is saying in the value of x, the value of x is 12. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. Like that it is, it works. And then let's see, another one is comparison operators. Let's see what is comparison operators. Compare value and return boolean true or false. It only say true or false, not others, right? Only say true or false, either true or false. When we compare between it, it say true or false. Let's see. If here is the value of a is 5 and b also, a b is equal to 5, but here a is in lies in number, integer value, and b is lies in string. Okay, then after, if we operate it, a is equal to b, it gives true. Why? Because the value of a and b are equal, 5 and 5, so it gives true. uh, 5 and 5 of course is true, so it is giving us true. It is checking the value. Let's see another one. Here a is equal to, here is 3 is equal to, triple is equal to b. It is giving us false. Let's see how. Here it is giving us true, but here it is giving us false. How? Uh, Wait, I am telling you how it is happening. Uh, Here it is only check the value of A and B, but in if we use 3 is equal to it, it checks both value and type of the variable. Like, is it number and string? It see both. Is number and string are same? No, it is saying false. No, there are different variable type. A is integer type and B is string type. So this becomes false. It is saying, okay. So don't be confused. It only check value and it checks value plus type of variable, integer, string, boolean, all checks. If both are same, it gives true. Otherwise, it gives false. So, and next one is A is not equal to B. It's here it is saying 5 is not equal to B. 5. So this is false because the value of a and b are same, and it is saying this is not equal to, so it becomes false. And another one, a is not equal to b. Here it is giving true. How? Let's see what is happening here. Same case, this and this case are same. Here, the value of a and b are same, but type of a and b are different. Like the type of a are integer and the type of b are uh, b is string. So uh, it is saying a is not equal to b. So it is giving true. Yeah, yeah, there is not equal to. This is number and this is string, so it is giving us for true value. And another one is a is greater than 3. It is saying a is greater than 3. Uh, 5 is greater than 3. Yes, true. Of course, 5 is greater than 3. And a is less than 3. 5 is less than 3. False. Of course, false. So, like that, this is operating. So, uh, we should understand between uh, this and this value. It only check value. It check value plus type of variable. So, don't be confused. And let's move another operator, which is the logical operator. Here logical operators are uh, and another one is ampersand. Here and means both true, and it is it means not reverse. If a is equal to if a is equal to true, then b is equal to false. It gives. And if A is equal to false, B is equal to true. It reverses the value. Okay. Then then what does it? It if if the both value are equal, then it gives true. It say true. Okay. So this is uh this is the logical operators. Uh, so let's move another ordinary operators. So what is ordinary operators? Operate on one value, not two or multiple, only one. It works on only one value. Okay, so let's see coding example. I think you are confused. Uh, let x is equal to 5. Here, let x is equal to 5. Here, only one value. X is equal to 5. Only one value. If we did console.log plus x, it becomes a positive. Okay, if we did x log console.log inside middle braces minus x, it gives negative. It becomes negative. Okay, and here x plus plus and x minus minus, they are uh, increment and decrement also. So uh, it x plus plus means it increment after printing, first print and then after it increase. And it and if here uh, plus plus x, if you see here plus plus x, then it uh, first increment, then after print. Okay, don't confuse, I will tell you later what actually it is. And let's see ternary operators. What is ternary operators? Ternary operators means three three parts. It takes three value. Okay, short way to writing an if else statement. Uh, if we use ternary operators, then we should don't need to use if else statement, right? So it reduced to use if else statements. So let's see in coding example. Here it it takes three parts. I already said you. They are condition, value if true, value if false. Let's see. Let age is equal to 19. If here let age is equal to 19, let can vote is equal to age is greater and equal to 18. It is saying question mark, which is condition. This is condition. And if yes or no, this is saying yes or no. This is value if true, yes. Value if false, it print no. So it is printing yes. Okay, let's see. Next, our next operators is Quarks, which is command pitfalls, which is equal to and double is equal to. We already discussed above about this. Console.log 0 is equal to false. Here true is type coercion and here false is string coercion. String. And in string there is string plus number. If we did string plus number, then it console.log 5 plus 5, it becomes 55. It here it is string and it is number, it becomes string, right? It both are concatenate and becomes a string. And the next one is if we did subtract on string and numeric value, then it becomes subtraction, right? 5 minus 2 becomes 3. Here it gives priority on string value and here it gives priority on numeric value. Okay, let's say another one is increment and decrement. uh, okay, increment and decrement means let if here let x is equal to 5, right? If our initial value is 5, then and we did console.log, then it print first, it not increase value first, it gives us 5. Here it is adding but not first, it is first printing and then after printing then it gives and then it increments. Okay, and in console.log plus x, it increments first then prints. If you confuse, I will tell you, I will see you right. Here our initial value is 5 and we are going to sum x plus and plus x, right? Here this does print first, it gives print first and increase 1 after the printing value and plus where it printing 1. Here 5 plus and it gives it also increase 1, it also increase 1 first, after before printing. Here this one and this one becomes it add on the value of 5. Here 5 plus this one and this 1 plus 1, it becomes 7. And here the value of first x plus is 5 because it print first and increment later. And we should add 5 plus 7 so that it gives 12. This is the rule of increment. Increment first and it print first and increase later. It increase first and print later. Don't be confused here. In plus is in lies in last. It then it increment last here. plus become first, then it add first, then print the value. So that is the rule of increment and decrement. Same case repeated on decrement also. If we write x minus minus plus uh, uh, x minus minus x, then it follows same rule. This is There is no different rule in increment and decrement. So uh, we did uh, we complete all the operators of JavaScript. So let's see practice problem. Practice problem makes you, if you do practice problems, then you becomes more confident and you never forget. So let's see practice problem. Create variable a is equal to 15 and b is equal to 4. Here you need to create uh, variable a and assign value 15, create variable b and assign value 4, and you need to sum a plus b. Okay, and you need to differentiate. It means subtract a 15 minus 4, and product, division, remainder, power. You need to find all. Uh, Here, if you do a minus a plus b, here, if you sum is equal to a plus b, it should come 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. If your answer comes 19, then you are doing right. So that's why you need to solve all this practice problem, and you need to become a confidence. So summary, let's see summary of our chapter 6. Arithmetic means plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus, and power. Double multiply means it's said as power, and assignment means equal to plus equal to, like that, and comparison equal to and equal to. And I think you are confusing about this. I am telling you again. This checks only the value, and this checks value plus type of our variable. So don't be confused. And logical and like that. And ordinary means only one value. There no need to operate two or multiple value. It operate only one value. And ternary means here becomes three value. Three value means three part. This is condition. This check true or true, and this false. Is true, it gives yes, or it false, it gives no. This is uh, it follows condition. Okay, this is the part of three. That's why we are telling ternary operators. So watch out for type Corson quarks is equal to string plus number increment operators. So that's all about chapter 6 video. I hope you learn everything about it. They all are operators in JavaScript. You need to practice, and I will come next video. So bye bye.